Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products to give you honest, detailed reviews. Today we're looking at a popular choice for those who love a flawless, natural-looking hair transformation. The 13x6 Straight Lace Front Wig, made from 100% Brazilian virgin human hair. This wig promises everything from easy styling to a realistic appearance, but let's see if it lives up to the hype. Keep watching as we break it down. Now, let's get into the specifics. This wig is crafted from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, which is a big selling point for anyone familiar with high-quality wigs. The hair comes directly from healthy young women, ensuring it's free from chemicals or any sort of harsh processing. That means you're starting with hair that's as close to natural as it gets, with minimal alteration. When it comes to the density, the wig offers 180% density, giving it a full, thick look that looks like healthy, natural hair. The hair length is true to size, with a 36-inch length that's perfect for those who want dramatic, long, straight hair. The product also claims no shedding or tangling, which is a relief for anyone who's had trouble with messy, high-maintenance wigs in the past. And if you're wondering about the smell, thankfully, there's none. Plus, it's versatile enough for you to curl, bleach, or style however you please. So far, this wig seems like it checks all the boxes. What sets this lace front wig apart is the 13x6 HD transparent lace. The ear-to-ear lace is made of breathable and durable Swiss lace, which is designed to suit most skin tones. It's pre-plucked with bleached knots and has baby hairs around the perimeter, creating a natural-looking hairline. This design makes the wig feel more like your own hair rather than something slapped on top, which is a major plus if you're aiming for authenticity. Now let's talk about how it performs in the real world. I wore this wig for a few days, and I have to say that it was incredibly comfortable. The cap size is designed for a 22.5-inch medium head and comes with 4 combs and an adjustable strap. The adjustability is a key feature for getting that secure fit, and I didn't experience any discomfort even after wearing it for long periods. The lace front itself is easy to apply, with the adjustable straps helping the wig stay in place without feeling too tight or too loose. The wig's glueless design makes it perfect for anyone who's looking for a quick, hassle-free application. I could definitely see this being ideal for someone with a busy schedule or anyone who doesn't want the fuss of adhesives. Now, no product is perfect, so let's break down some of the pros and cons. On the positive side, the wig is incredibly versatile. You can style it, cut it, and even bleach it without worrying about damaging the hair. The HD transparent lace is a standout feature, offering a more natural look that mimics your scalp and gives a flawless finish. The pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs add realism, and the cap construction with adjustable straps ensures a comfortable fit for most head sizes. On the flip side, while the wig is thick and full, some may find the 36-inch length a bit overwhelming for everyday wear. It's a lot of hair, which can make it harder to manage in certain situations. The price could also be a factor to consider. It's on the higher end, so it might not fit every budget. However, given the quality of the hair and the natural finish, it does seem like it's worth the investment for those looking for a long-lasting, realistic wig. In terms of value for money, it's a solid investment if you're looking for something that's durable, flexible, and designed with a natural look in mind. Considering the high-density, virgin Brazilian human hair and customizable features, the price is justified for anyone seeking a top-tier wig. If you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives, but they may not match the same level of quality. For example, synthetic wigs or lower-density human hair wigs might be more affordable, but they won't have the same versatility or longevity as this one. When it comes to build quality, the materials used in the construction of the wig feel premium. The HD lace is delicate but strong enough to last, and the cap design is sturdy while still offering comfort and flexibility. As for longevity, because the wig is made from human hair with proper care, it should last a long time, especially if you don't apply heat or harsh chemicals to it regularly. I haven't had direct interactions with customer support, but based on the positive reviews and reputation of this brand, It seems like they're reliable when it comes to responding to inquiries or any issues. As for any updates to the product, there haven't been any notable changes, but it's always worth checking for any new versions or improvements when considering a purchase. So who is this wig really for? If you're someone who wants a natural look with long-lasting wear and a high-quality product, this is a solid option. It's particularly suited for special occasions or anyone who loves styling their hair in different ways. If you're after a more budget-friendly option or something easier to maintain, you might want to explore other choices. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this wig, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.